Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the trending flash shake effects to your clips on the CapCut PC. So here I've already added a video and you just need to go to the effect and video effect to find the flash shake effect. So in the trending, you can easily find it. Just scroll down. Then you can find this flash shake effect. But if you cannot find it on the trending, you just need to go to the nightclub category, and in here the flash shake effect can be found. So just click on the plus icon to add it to your clip, adjust the duration, and that's it. Okay, but you can always adjust the effect. You can adjust the glow, the range, speed, the atmosphere, and also the color, like this. Okay, so I think that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like, comment if you have any question, and click on the subscribe button below. Bye.